What is up, Fly friends and family? Welcome to another episode of Shoe Fly TV. As usual, it is your boy T. So before we get into this video, obviously see all the 15s. I've been an advocate or a lover of the retro models after 14. Like, we need more of those. 15, 16, 17, especially 17s. 18s, 19s, 20, 21, 22, 20. I like the Jordan models after 14 as well as the ones 1 through 14. So you can see here we got the laser retro that came out a little while ago. We got the original OG, the light blue. We got the countdown pack version. I previously had the Obsidian pair. Breaks my heart to say that I had to sell them back in the day. Also too, I had the OG Obsidian pair. I had the OG low top red and white ones too. Shout out Osama bin Coppin. He had the gray pair, which probably is the best pair to me as far as like colorway wise besides the Obsidian. But today we're going to be getting into the Air Jordan 15 Billie Eilish edition. So obviously there was a Jordan 1 canvas that came out, and then they came out with the Jordan 15. So as far as the box, it's really nothing special, just a regular black box, but it does have the name Billie Eilish on the box. And then if you turn to the front of it, it says Billie on that part, and then on the back side of that it says Eilish on the back. And then the color code is stone and ironstone, not color code but what the color says, stone, ironstone, which is weird because to me it just pretty much it all looks the same as far as like the colorway. So the bust is getting, so as far as like the inside of it, it comes with this brown paper that has the Jordan symbol in between, the Jumpman symbol in between the name Billie Eilish. I guess that's another feature that makes it somewhat unique in a way. So busting that out. So now that we have looked at the box, getting into the, so as far as getting into the sneaker, as far as the materials on this, some decent materials. So I mean, you know, your usual with the outsole, midsole. I mean, it feels pretty much the same, but like this leather construction, it almost feels like somewhat rubberized slightly. It doesn't just feel like straight up like leather, but I know that these were made from recycled materials, so shout out to that. That's pretty cool that they did that. And as far as the colorway of the sneaker, I mean, the whole thing is basically done in beige, but you have the on the side part there's a Jumpman logo, which that actually is brown, and then there's I guess you could say that that's the symbol that's also in brown, and then on the inside of the shoe is the it says Billie Eilish with a Jumpman in the middle, and that's also brown. Other than that, the entire construction of the shoe is done in the same beige colorway. As far as construction of the sneaker, it's done very well. I like the side panel is something a little bit different as far as the stitching. Stitching is done very well. I don't see any glue spots or anything that would be a big red flag to throw it off to make it look, I know a lot of people think that this sneaker is ugly, but make it look more ugly. Me personally, like I said, I like the design. Also reminds me of Reggie Miller back in the day when he was playing with these, as well as the other Jordan brand athletes. But solid sneaker, solid fall colors, you know what I'm saying? Now that we're into fall, this would be a nice fall colorway if you were able to pick yourself up a pair. Surprised that I was able to hit on these because even though it's like the 15 isn't a super popular sneaker, I knew probably quite a few people were going to be trying to get them just for resale value. I mean, these might go up someday. you never know. I forgot what sneaker that I was looking at the other day, and I couldn't believe what the price tag was. Oh, the Jordan 18s, the Sport Royal, the white and royal blue pair. They're selling for like over $500 now, and I never thought that that shoe would end up selling for that. So, yeah, I just thought that a lot of people were going to be trying to grab pairs of these just to try to resell them, but it must have been somewhat of an easy cop because, like I said, I never hit on sneakers, and I was able to do so with this pair. So, yeah, that... like I said, it's extremely decent as far as construction. Like I said, this leather panel on the side feels slightly rubberized, but then I'm hoping that that's one of those things where it'll make it last longer as far as the material goes. But not too shabby. Definitely glad that I purchased these. Like I said, we'll see what these things is hitting for later on down the line. But as far as 15s go, so this is a pretty nice addition to the model. That was just a quick review of the sneaker. I wanted to give you guys a look at it. As always, I just want to thank everybody for the continued support. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you for watching. Also, too, do not forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that button, subscribe. You can hit the bell for notifications for new content that will be coming out. We got a lot of stuff in the late end of this year, but also the beginning of next year. There's going to be a lot of heat coming out. I'm very selective about the sneakers that I get. I do not just buy everything, so I don't know how many people out there are like that. Like, you got what, like, I'm a budget for this and just make sure that I get this sneaker or that sneaker, and have to unfortunately miss out on a few. But that's how the game goes. You know, not all of us are rich and can afford to get every sneaker or have sponsors like that. So, but like I said, thank you to everybody out there. Just please continue to be blessed, stay fresh, and stay shoe fly. We out.